I gotta pick up my grandpa.
He's not doing too well. My grandma just passed.
Why do you have to take him to Florida? It's just with the rehearsal brunch on Friday. I'm just freaking out.
You have to worry about anything. Grandpa,
You ready to hit the road?
I thought the plan was to have breakfast here.
That's your breakfast. Now let's get in that giant labia you drove up in and get the fuck out of here. So you're a lawyer now?
Being a corporate lawyer is awesome. I get to handle SEC compliance,
No shit.
LP agreements,
Oh.
LLC agreements.
You know what I'd rather do?
What?
I'd rather let Queen Latifah shit in my mouth from a fucking hot air balloon.
Hey, we're heading to Daytona.
So you guys want to tag along for a bit, party some babies into us?
We have a very important tea time.
Obviously, I've got the bigger 3-wood.
Good, maybe you can use it to hit your balls right into my vagina.
Holy shit. We're not going to Daytona. Grandma's funeral was yesterday.
She told me on her deathbed, you get back out there again.
Oh, so that's what this is all about. You wanted me to drive you down to Boca so I could be your wingman.
I haven't had sex in 15 years, and I want to fuck.
I'm gonna throw up.
Did you ever go on spring break?
No, I can't chug alcohol. I developed like a gag reflex.
You're chugging a beer, not taking down a horse cart.
Oh, shit. It's Meredith. Please, I gotta answer that.
Tell her to fuck off.
What's up?
Daytona fucking Beach!
You're in Daytona Beach?
We're just driving through.
Jason!
She's not right for you. If you marry her, you're gonna be sleepwalking through the rest of your life. For one night, stop worrying about your wedding. Party till you're pregnant! You can't catch me!
This is crack.
I just smoked crack?
Yeah, but just like a lot.
I just smoked crack!
Are those my pants?
I found a Werther's original in the pocket, and I've been sucking on it all morning. Whoops, I guess they just slipped off.
You guys, you have to come see this right now.
Bala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo pa' dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Bala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena, Macarena.